I like this. Look at this. Actually, that's good right there. I wouldn't do nothing. That's perfect. Go ahead. Slowly. Go. Okay, hold on. See if that one's tight.
Yes.
Okay, leave it right there. That's good. Are you ready for this one?
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, that's good right there. Shut it off because of the cooling system. Man, that car is long.
It is.
Yeah. So you can put an SUV here, but you gotta leave the ramp up. But if anytime you're gonna wedge, it's gotta be a small car like, what is this, a Sentra?
It is, yes.
So a Sentra, put the ramp all the way down, you got about 5 inches or 6 inches of clearance. Actually, I think I have more clearance if I would have went forward with it. Show them what I did. Show them what I did. Are you talking today?
Oh. Oh, okay. So,
Hey, you gonna be like me today?
yeah. So these, I don't know if you've noticed it in the past Infinity videos, but these ramps here, when you purchase a trailer, they were very bent or warped. They were bent down. So what he did is he removed the ramps. Can you explain what you did?
Yeah, I'll explain it to them right now. And for those that didn't know, my ramps were in bad shape, and I bought it like that. So I took it to my friend Huicho. He came with he's got some really good ideas. So what he did, what we did, I helped him. And with the forklift, we completely took off the ramps, flipped them over, got the forklift, run it over with the forklift, and we had a big old sledgehammer. And we start banging it right on these steel beams right here. So we are going to fix the ramp. We'll take it off. I'm over here, my boy Huicho. We're gonna take this off. We already took it off. We're gonna straighten it out. Some other people would have probably cut it, re-weld it, but my friend Huicho said don't weld nothing on that because it'll weaken the metal. And he's right, because as soon as you start welding on something like this, it'll become really weak. So there's no welding involved. We just did it the old-fashioned way with the forklift.
And this is alone. We picked up this vehicle yesterday. We picked up the SUV yesterday, preloaded it for today. Prior to repairing the ramps, it would struggle to raise. Now it's raising very easily.
You guys are probably wondering why I loaded the heavier SUV in the middle. It should have been on the back, but I have 2 stops and it's low on gas. I'm afraid that's going to run out of gas. What I could have done, I could have put this on the belly, but it's a huge SUV. I don't even think it would have fit, and it would have been a lot of starting the SUV. But she'll explain to you why we did it this way.
So from here we have to go to Pleasanton, and we have to unload these two vehicles. So had it been in the back, he would have to turn it on, move it, and then reload it. And again, it's low on fuel.
So by doing this, I don't have to offload it or start the vehicle. What I'm gonna do, if you guys just follow me on my next stop in Pleasanton, I'm just gonna raise the ramp, and I'm gonna offload this, and you're gonna see with this trailer right here, I don't have, I mean, it's the perfect trailer. I mean, I love it. I've been using it more now, only because I'm probably gonna stop at Tracy at the auction and fill up the trailer. Okay. All right, guys.
So typically on a day like this, when there's only 3 vehicles, he'll use the EZ4, but on the EZ4, he has to always move the cars around. Here with the Infinity, it has more options.
Yeah. It's a good trailer. I might just sell the other one. I'm getting used to it. I'm getting used to the Infinity.
Yeah, he hasn't actually used a Kaufman in over 2 weeks. So we'll see what happens.